everybody, this is Tammy at Sea Spots Farm, and I was just sitting watching these Bantam Campines hens with their new chicks. This is their first time out of the nest, and I said, I wonder if viewers would like to see that. So here they are. Aren't they cute? They're so teeny. So Bantam Campines are a small-sized version of the full-sized Campines. These are very rare and they're on the Livestock Conservancy list. I've been breeding this group for about 8 years with no outcrossing.